I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search and select Action LionDesk. Give here the client ID and client secret. So, click on Please visit the LionDesk apps. New app. Give here name and redirect URI. Save. Copy the client ID and paste it here. For client secret, click on Reveal Secret. And copy the client secret and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorized, successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use it, checking the box. Also, here is conditional logic, you can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your LionDesk site. And you can see here the data came successfully in LionDesk. Thanks for watching.